Yung sinabi ko sa inyo na find a place to hide when there is wind. When it's wind blowing everywhere and gusting. Find a place to hide. So this is, it's kind of silly, but this is, we found a hiding place that we created. It's under our staircase, which is, it is concrete. It's a concrete, big time. So here we have a little area here that we can just shelter ourselves in case of wind blows everywhere. So this is the hiding place that we are going to do. I have water here, ice water, and also we have essential. I have a headset, Bluetooth. It's already charged. Candles, also lighter. I picked this lighter. This is a lighter that we picked. See, it's a lighter. And also another headset. Okay, we have Bluetooth. This is a fan, charge. It's already charged. The fan's charged. Power bank, completely charged. Extra extension cord. I have, if you get sweaty, so I have facials, wipes, alcohol, and then in this container I also have spray for pain, I do not know, band-aids, antibiotic, tissues, and all that stuff. So this is just the basic items that I decided to keep prepared just in case. So here's our little banker. It's like a banker. It's clean, sanitized, and everything. So hopefully you guys have one of this kind of area in your house. Find one, you'll be surprised what you can find. But in case if it really flooded, of course it's not the place to be. We'll just go upstairs, climb upstairs. So that's the safest place. So for now, this is the area for gust wind. I know we're getting a lot of wind, 160 miles per hour, I think. So this is our area. Very simple. Be safe, everyone.